First, pull out the ignition coil plug of each cylinder. Do not use too much force in the process of pulling. Press and hold the clip and gently swing it left and right to remove it. Then use a socket wrench to remove the screw from the ignition coil. Gradually replace the ignition coil one cylinder at a time. In the process of disassembly and assembly, if the connection of your car's ignition coil is very long, it's better to mark when dismantling to prevent wrong installation. After each ignition coil is installed in place, before you install the plug bank, screw the ignition coil in place by hand. Tighten with a socket wrench. In the process of screwing, if you don't know how hard, you'd better read the instructions for getting off the bus. However, the force is usually 15 Nm. After tightening the screw, check the plug of each cylinder again. Avoid installation not in place. Finally, start the engine to see if it is normal.